Admission of former Chief Justice of Pakistan, Mr. Justice retired Naseem Hassan Shah, on print and electronic media that the decision of Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's appeal was under coercion does not leave any doubt in the mind of a sane and prudent person that it was a judicial murder which was decided and executed by dictator.
On what basis is this statement being made? Where is this admission?
My Lord, this was, there were two interviews which were given by late Mr. Justice, retired Naseem Hassan Shah. One was, I believe, in 1996, but the other more recent one in 2009.
Have you filed the transcript of the interview?
My Lord, I have to file.
To whom?
It was given, it was a television interview which he had recorded, which he had given, and it was also reported in the press.
Which channel or which person?
My Lord, I will have to place it on record.
Mr. Farooq Naik, do you know?
Farooq Naik would have so, but I am aware that there was an interview.
Mr. Iftikhar of Geo News. Mr. Iftikhar of Geo News.
Iftikhar what?
Iftikhar Ahmed, I think so. Iftikhar Ahmed.
Iftikhar Ahmed. Is he still in Geo?
Jawab De program.
Huh?
Jawab De program.
Is he still in Geo News?
He's still, I think he's still there.
And which is the other interview?
Geo mein nahi hai, but he's still here. He's still here.
And which is the other interview? You said there are two interviews.
Yes. There was this rather old interview.
Yes, there was a second interview he had given to an unknown person, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि कहते हैं जो मार्शल लॉ लगता है तो हमें मार्शल लॉ वालों की बात सुननी पड़ती है.
One thing which you may want to make us start making a note of these things. We would want, we'll pass an order, but we'll want to have these whatever.
We will give the videos as well as the transcripts.
Exactly.
We'll do that. Thank you, sir.
So just make a note of this.
Yes, I made a note of it.
Right.
Did he mention that who has coerced him?
Pardon?
Did he mention that who has coerced him?
Who has coerced him?
Yes.
Well, he didn't. He just used the word martial authorities. Because the martial law, General Ziaulak was in power, and it was all orchestrated. The malicious design was orchestrated by General Ziaulak to execute Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto.
You mentioned an application being filed by your client, but that was not filed by you, or was it filed?
It was filed by me, I think, in 2018.
Yeah, Bijo filed ki. That's by Mr. Raza Rabbani.
No, my lord, I filed this at CMA in 2018. I'll give you.
Now.
Now, abhi to maine koi file nahi kiya hai.
No,
abhi maine khali live stream.
You filed it, or Mr. Raza Rabbani filed it?
I filed it, my lord.
Okay.
And recently I filed an application for live broadcasting.
Okay. I was in impression that Mr. Raza Rabbani has filed.
No, I filed it, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ji, please continue.
From paragraph 9, my lord. This admission tantamounts to violation of constitutional oath of office which reads...
No, we skip the oath.
Naseem Hassan Shah's book, Constitution, Law in Pakistan, pages
Constitution
52 and 53. Kindly read and everything will be very clear.
Okay. Constitutional laws.
His book is Constitution, Law and Pakistan Affairs.
In Pakistan, and published by?
I do not know, but it's written by former Chief Justice.
Pages?
52. Pages are 52 and 53. And how this judgment was compiled, everything is written.
Mr. Farooq Naik, why are you so far away?